Hello and welcome to episode 6 of our Tamiya TT-01 race build from RC Empire. In our last video you saw us fit the Tamiya Sports tuned motor and pull the old brushless system out. And in this video we will be fitting our chosen electronic speed controller, the Hobbywing Quickun 1060. And this will set us up nicely for our next mid-build test run video where we'll be hitting the track with our new power system and current mods to see how the car performs before we continue with the build. So let's get started. Now what we have here is the Hobbywing Quickun ESC, a relatively inexpensive and affordable brushed speed controller which we picked up for around £20 new, and that included the Deans which we asked the supplier to solder on. Now the old speed controller, you may remember, fitted in this little gap here, but I don't actually think this one will fit. The one we have here measures in at 36.5 by 32mm by 18mm high. And that 32mm width is just a little bit too big for the TT-01. So we'll have to do a little reorganizing and put the receiver in there. And mount the ESC up on this little platform with some heavy duty velcro. And we can just move that around later if it doesn't work. Now the great thing with this ESC is that it is literally plug and play with no setup needed. And what's also great is that on the top you have these little two tabs, and by moving these to the left or right position or removing one completely, you can select lipo or NIMH battery as well as the driving modes, so you can have forward brake reverse, forward brake or forward and reverse. And there's no need to wait for the beeps or count flashing lights, you can just switch these little tabs around when you need to. So if we plug it into our receiver first, and then connect the motor cables, and finally the lipo which we will be running for this series. You can see we have power. And we're ready to go. It is as easy as that with this speed controller. It's also worth mentioning that this is also a waterproof ESC, which is always useful. But that's it, all that's left to do now is tidy everything up and we're good to go. Our Tamiya TT-01 is alive and ready to hit the track. So in the next episode we will be coming to you from the track and seeing the car in action, showing you the top speed, acceleration and handling with the current gearing and setup. And we'll also be able to build up some track hours and get some practice. So I hope you've all enjoyed this little video. Please rate and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon.